The 50KPa Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is powered by a robust brushless motor, providing impressive suction power to tackle dust, debris, and pet hair effortlessly. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, this vacuum cleaner offers up to 70 minutes of cleaning time, making it suitable for large homes without needing frequent recharges. Its advanced filtration system, combined with HEPA technology, ensures that even the finest particles are captured, while a scented tablet adds a pleasant aroma during use. The innovative dust cup design allows for easy emptying with just one push, preventing hair and debris from getting stuck and ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. Featuring a self-standing design, the vacuum can be conveniently parked anywhere, while the included attachments allow for versatile cleaning, transforming into a handheld device as needed. The intuitive touch control interface offers seamless operation with easy switching between different suction modes to cater to various cleaning needs.